The same street is gonna become East Market Street. So that's where I'm going. Go ahead. Wait. Yes. Become East Market Street. I'm on East Market Street right here. I'm on East Market Street. It's very beautiful. It's a very beautiful sunset. You could see the sunset through the windows in front of us, right there. It's almost the end of the day. It's 8:08 p.m. right now, so it's almost the end of the day. I'm making a left right here. No. Let me see. I'm going straight. I'm gonna go straight. I'm gonna go straight because I need to look at something. I thought a little bit ahead over there, but I don't know. Yes, I'm going straight a little bit. So yes, I am going this way for right now. for right now. Okay, I'm gonna make a right here in Pennsylvania Avenue. Let me see. Yeah, make a right here. It's sort of like the easiest way for me to go. Yeah, it's the easiest to go right here. Make a right. I'm gonna make a right here. Penn Avenue. I gotta get my seatbelt on so I don't get that sound bugging me. Keep saying seatbelt on, seatbelt on, seatbelt on. Yes. Okay, I'm in South Main Street. I went around the square because I needed to look at the store, but to end up in South Main Street. South Main Street that leads me into this light right here is what's it called? Sudbridge Street, I think it's Sud Street, I think it is. But I'm on South Main Street right now. That light was back there was Sud Street, I think it is. Yes. This light coming is Rush Street. Rush Street. There's a shopping a building in my left. There's a post office on my left. Dollar store on my right. CVS coming on my right. CVS. This is CVS. I'm gonna make a right here. And that in front of us is the Chicken Crown, right there on my left. It's on my left. The Chicken Crown is on my left now. I'm gonna approach the light, Franklin Street light. I'm gonna go across. That light was South Franklin Street. South Franklin Street. South Franklin Street. Yes. This one right here, this light coming is River Street. This one right here in front of us. That's River Street. I'm in Carey Avenue. The Quick Bar on my left. I just passed it. There's a mechanic shop right here on my left. I mean, on my right, the Quick Bar that I just passed back there. On my right, it was on my right, and then the mechanic shop on my left. And Main Street. Another mechanic shop right here, passing through. And another Quick Bar on my left. The old high school on my right there. That's the old high school, Myers High School. That used to be the high school right there. And then behind it is Kistler Elementary School for grades 1 to 6. And I even think they also have kindergarten right there. I'm not sure, but yeah, that back there is Myers, and behind it is Kistler Elementary School for grades 1 through 6. And I continue on Carey Avenue. I'm approaching the light coming up, and on the left, on the left right here before the light, there's a tiny shopping center right here. Right after that, on the left, also the gas station. Right before the light, right here, the light. I'm approaching the light right now. And on my left ahead, as soon as we pass the light, there's a Taco Bell right there, and the fireworks on my right. Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, right there. I don't know if I show it to you, but that was Kentucky Fried Chicken. And then on my left, I got on my left I also got CVS. Yeah, and on my right there's a Salvation Army right there. Go right there. On my left is McDonald's. The Dollar General on my left is a whole shopping center, a long shopping center right there.